It was 27th February. I was in the KYU mechatronics lab. I was very lazy, as always. Suddenly, I knew that everyone completed their project. But what about me? I have done nothing. So I had to do something. Then I had a plan to be very lazy. And the plan was to using RGB LED that will change color when touching different touch pins of ESP32. First, I have designed the breadboard using fritzing software. There are basically 10 GPIO touch pins in ESP32. We are using G4, G14 and G15 pins. Here we can see RGB LED has 4 pins. The first one is smaller and it is called D-in, and the next one is bit larger called VDD. Next, the largest pin which is called GND, and the last one D-out, which is used to connect another LEDs. Now it's time to connect the hardware component. First of all, we are putting a RGB LED on the breadboard. We are connecting the DIN pin with G2 port of ESP32 and the positive 3 volt with the VDD pin, and finally GND pin with the GND of ESP32. D-out will remain empty since we are using just one LED. Now we are connecting wires in G4 pin for green, G14 pin for blue and G15 for red. Now we are opening our Arduino software and create a new file named rgb.ino. We are including adafruit neopixel.h library since we are working with RGB LED. Now in the code we declared 3 functions for 3 different colors and also created a while loop with 3 if statements. Finally, it's time to upload the program in the ESP32. We are done. You can see that when I'm touching G4 pin, it's showing green color. For G15 it's showing red, and for G14 pin it is showing blue colors.